Hey, do you not understand any of the mechanics of Geometry Dash? Well, I'm here to teach you basically all of them. So this is where I will be teaching you about everything about Geometry Dash. Well, everything's an over-exaggeration. I can't actually do all of that, so I'll just explain as much as I can. So there is a few types of portals. This is the first thing that we'll learn. I'd say we could separate them into 6 types: game mode, gravity, speed, size, dual or not, and the teleport portals. Okay, let's get started. I forgot about the mirror portals. Yeah, there's another type, mirror portals. So there are currently 7 game modes in Geometry Dash, called the cube, ship, ball, UFO, wave, robot, and spider. All of them have different functions. If you're in the cube, you need to press to jump. In the ship, you need to hold to go up. In the ball, you need to touch to switch gravity. The UFO is the cube, but you can always go up. No limits. The wave, it goes diagonally. It's like the ship, but it goes diagonally up and down. The robot is a cube where you can hold for a longer jump. And the spider instantly goes up and down. That's one type of portal already over. Now let's head over to the gravity. Yeah, the gravity portals. I think it's already obvious what these do. The blue one switches you back to normal gravity, and the yellow one switches you to the upside down gravity. And for the size portals, the green portal scales you up to a normal size, which makes you have normal jump sizes and everything. The pink portal makes you smaller and have a smaller jump. And the dual portals function like this. When you enter the orange dual portal, there will be 2 cubes, or 2 of whatever game mode you are on, that when you click, they both do what they're supposed to do. It's an interesting concept. And the blue one just switches you back to normal mode without the extra cube or game mode. The speed portals. Each of the speed portals make you slow down or go faster a bit. The yellow speed portal, the one that faces backwards, slows you down a little, while the blue one sends you to normal speed. The green one makes you go slightly faster. The pink speed portal makes you go even faster. And the red speed portal makes you go fast. Very fast. For the mirror portals, it basically inverts your view of the game in a transition of about a second. Let me show you. You see, it inverts your camera. That's cool. It inverts your camera. And the teleport portals, as you can guess, they teleport. So if you enter the blue teleport portal, you will come out of the orange teleport portal. This does not happen vice versa. It only happens if you enter the blue portal and get out of the orange portal. And that's all of the portals. So now we will move over to the subject of slopes, blocks, and spikes. Slopes are like these diagonal blocks where you can go up diagonally a bit faster and a bit slower and all that stuff. And there's multiple styles for each of these. I'm not putting all of them in because there is a lot of them. Blocks they also have a lot of styles and also a lot of things that can help you make your level look a bit better. And spikes are just the things that kill you normally. I'm only but the most used ones because there are way too many of them. And there's also these half blocks too. And on these, I believe that they are blocks that go transparent. Like when you go near the blocks, they go invisible. They're blocks like that. And also there's also spikes like that too, which is painful to play with, have to admit. So yeah, that's over for block slopes and spikes. To the next step. So now we will be talking about orbs and pads. First we'll talk about the pads. Each one of these have a different function. The yellow one makes you go up. The pink one, it makes you go up a bit less than the yellow one. And the red one makes you go very far up. The blue one makes you switch gravity. Just like the gravity portals, but it switches gravity instead of choosing a new gravity. And the orbs of each of these, oh whatever, I forgot to turn off swipe. The orbs of these are basically the same thing, but you have to click the screen to activate it. Basically like that. And there's also other orbs, like the green orb and the black orb. The green orb makes you not only switch gravity, but also jump at the same time. As you will be able to see, it switches your gravity back and makes you jump. And there's also the black orb. Let's place it over here. Sorry, I missed that. It makes you go down faster. And that's basically it. Oh wait, no, there's still a bit more. There are also the dash orbs. This is just a normal dash orb. It makes you keep going forward. So like, yeah, I'd say that's cool. And the pink one, the pink dash orb does the same thing, but it switches your gravity after you stop holding it. And that's all for orbs and pads. So, we'll be talking about monster. What? Monster? I think it means monsters. Hold on, let me fix this. Alright, that's much better. So, there are like these 4 monsters. There's 4 of them. Currently, at least. And they are just more. They're just like spikes. They can kill you. Just like spikes. And they also have custom animations, but we'll talk about that later. That's all for mine. Oh yeah, there's also these fireball things that can also kill you, from what I know. And there's also this goo puddle thing. So we'll be talking about letter blocks now. No, these aren't the letter blocks. These are just custom made. I made with text and blocks. Anyways, I'm talking about these four over here. These four letter blocks. We're gonna figure out what they do in alphabetical order. That's better. Okay, let's start with the D block. Let's say you're in the wave game mode and you don't want to die because you're hitting the blocks. Well, that's what the D block can solve. The D block can solve that problem. Wait, no, I'm in the wrong tab. If you place a D block here, or you could also place them here, depends on where you want to place it. You can just slide on it instead of dying because of it. That's pretty much all you can do with the D block. So let's say you have a problem. When you click the orb and keep holding, it just keeps jumping and you don't want that to happen for some reason. Well, then that is what the J block is for. I know I skipped the H block, but yeah, we're not doing this in alphabetical order anymore. So like, you stop automatically jumping after you keep holding. That's the whole thing of the block. Kind of useless, but cool. Now let's do the H block. So basically, when you hit your head on a block, you die. That's not good. So you grab the H block, and when you hit your head on it, you won't die, but if you hit it from the side, you still will die. And that's because, like, otherwise it would defy the laws of physics. Geometry, that's physics. The S block, just when you are using the dash orb, when you enter it, it automatically stops the dash from the dash orb. Simple enough. A few extra items are this secret coin. You can only place 3 of them in a single level, and they are special collectibles that you can get in each level. Like going through a more difficult path to complete the level. That's a good way to place a coin. And this block over here, you place it down for writing things. Cool, right? Oh yeah, and there's also these decorations over here. They keep doing that. Well, these two over here, they may look boring at first, but when you save and play, they do these decoration things, which is also very cool. And there's also these collectibles, which you can collect to use on other things. You can, like, make objects disappear when you collect them or something. You could do that. We'll explain that later. And there's also these glow blocks. A lot of them. There's a lot of glow blocks in here. You use them for decoration as well. And these things, they're more decorations. There's a lot of decorations in this game. And there's also these hands. I have no idea why there are hands in the Geometry Dash editor. Anyways. That's a lot of stuff. I think I'll stop here for now. I have to sleep. It's 4 in the morning. almost 5. I should probably get sleep now and finish editing this video. So I'll see you guys in the next episode on how to make a Geometry Dash level. Bye. So that's basically all I have for today. See you guys in a day, or maybe a few days, or a week. I don't know. See you guys later.